To my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing us how to cut the extra lace on our wig cap. So in case you have your wig with the extra lace, please stop folding it inside like this. Please don't fold it inside like this underneath your hair. No, please don't do this. So I'll be showing you how to cut the extra lace underneath our wig cap. So let's go. So this is my wig. So I'll be using the normal scissors. So in case you have the normal scissors, you can do it too. So I'll just balance my wig a little. So guys, so first I'll have to cut it so that so hold your lace and cut it out. I'll be using the zigzag method to cut out. So let's cut out using the zigzag. Take a look at the hairline, please. Don't let it get to the hairline. So hold it and watch how my hand goes in a zigzag method. So I'll be changing my big scissors to my small scissors to ensure I cut it very well. Please, if you have the small scissors, use it. It will help you avoid cutting the hairline when you start cutting close to the lace. So at this point, I had to remove it from the mannequin and bring it closer so you see what I'm doing. I had to hold my hand, put my hand beneath the lace and try to cut out the extra lace, ensuring that I am being careful of the hairline so I don't cut out the hairline. The hairline is very important, especially if you need to bring out your edges. So this is me cutting out the extra lace.